Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Prolube oil treatment, the supposed magical elixir for your engine's midlife crisis. It claims to be a high-performance formula designed to slash wear, friction, and heat, essentially making your engine run smoother than a politician's apology. Whether you're driving a family sedan or a massive industrial machine, this stuff promises to keep things spinning longer. But the big question remains, is Prolube actually legit or just expensive snake oil? Let's look at the evidence. First off, it's currently the #1 bestseller on Amazon for engine additives. Because as we all know, the internet never lies and thousands of people definitely wouldn't buy something just because a shiny label told them to. Still, hitting that top spot usually means customers are actually happy, rather than just shouting into the void of the comments section. Users report that it genuinely improves performance, smoothing out the ride and cutting down that lovely mechanical grinding sound we all ignore. The feedback on engine noise is where things get interesting. Some reviews claim a 90% reduction in chatter, turning high-mileage clunkers into quiet, smooth-running machines that actually accelerate when you hit the gas. It's apparently doing all this without causing overheating or any other weird side effects that usually come with miracle fixes. People are calling it excellent and the best, which suggests they're actually trusting it with their precious vehicles rather than just using it as a paperweight. When it comes to value, most buyers feel it's worth every cent, even if it makes your wallet a little lighter than the budget brands do. Some drivers even claim it made their ancient cars feel brand new again, which is a bold claim for anything that doesn't involve a time machine. While the price might be a sticking point for the frugal crowd, the consensus is clear: Prolube delivers on its promises. It's a trusted product that actually does its job, which is more than I can say for my gym membership. Thanks for watching till the end.